Well, hello again. We are still on day 4 of the WordPress workshop. We're going to keep this one super brief. So now what we're going to do, now that you have created the pages, the 5 pages we talked about in the last video, we are now going to create a menu using those pages. Now these are things we need to do other than uploading the template or the theme that we're going to use. So this is separate. Alright, so we're going to start over on your left in the toolbar, hover over Appearance, and as you can see here, Menus is the 4th option. We're going to click on that one. Alright, so as you can see here, I've already created a menu, but what you're going to do is, there should be a button right here that says Create a New Menu. Click that. And then it will show up with all this, only not filled in. As you can see, here's my menu structure. Now I started with my home page, then I have an About link, and a Work With Me. So what I've taken then, each of my products that I've created for the Work With Me are going to go underneath that. So on my menu, on my website, when I hover on this Work With Me, these options are going to show up beneath it. So I have a page for each one of these. I have a Work With Me page, and then I have a separate page for each of these. So this menu item represents 4 pages. Okay, as you can see, then I have the blog and the Contact Me page. So my menu is, if you look over here, you can do it with pages, posts, custom links, or categories. So this is when blog categories, again, can come into play. I could have my menu have my categories. So I could have a menu item that says Internet Marketing Training, or I could have a menu item that says Healthy, and another one that says Wealthy, and another one that says Happier, because those are some of my tags, as well as Parenting. So I have those 4 tags. Pardon me, not tags, categories. So for those 4 categories. So as you can see, so once you create the menu, you want to decide which ones you're going to use, and I would recommend having all 5. You want to have your home, your blog, your About Me, your Work With Me, and your contact page. So again, just like the 5 I have here, 3, 4, 5 will be the items that you have on your menu. And then once you're all done, you want to hit Save Your Menu, save it, or else it'll just disappear. And if you look down here, it's got some display locations. There's different locations that this menu can show up. So this is how you can have more than one menu on your website. And sometimes you can have a menu that's got, so across the top you can have the menu with each of your pages, but you may want to, across the bottom, have a menu of your of your categories. So I could potentially have across the bottom of my website my 4 menu items, my 4 categories, so they could hover and see a whole list, if I added those underneath there, of all the blogs that I have under each category. So that's another great way to create organization of your content. It's like creating a library of your content. Alright, well I wanted to keep this one super quick, so to create your menu, remember you just go over to the toolbar, Appearance, Menus, we're going to Create a New, and then over here it will give you the options of your pages. Now if you haven't created your pages yet, you're not going to have any options. So if you don't have any pages, refer back to the video I did earlier today. Alright guys, we did super great. This one's under 4 minutes. Feel free to pause and restart or go back if you get stuck. And also, we're here in the group, so reach out to us if you've got any questions. Thanks guys. Bye.